Hey everyone, and welcome to This Explainer. I am absolutely thrilled to be your English teacher and guide for our journey today. You know, stepping into a gym for the very first time, that can be pretty intimidating. And trying to communicate in a brand new language on top of that? Well, honestly, that can feel like a heavy workout all on its own. But don't worry, because today we're going to transform all that anxiety into total confidence. We're going to walk through this step by step together, learning simple, completely natural English phrases that you can use in real-life gym situations. By the time we wrap up, you're going to be ready to walk through those gym doors with your head held high.
So here's a quick look at our lesson plan for today. We'll start with number 1, greetings and arriving. Then 2, stating your fitness goals. Number 3 is sharing equipment and lifting. 4 is taking a break. And finally, number 5, finishing your workout.
All right, let's jump right into section 1, greetings and arriving.
Okay, I want you to imagine this. You wake up in the morning, the sun is shining, and you stretch. You say to yourself out loud, I feel healthy today. You put on your sneakers, get dressed, step outside, and you say, I am going to the gym. So you walk right through those front doors, head straight to the front desk, and give a friendly hello or good morning. Now, the gym trainer might look at you and ask this exact question. Are you new here? It's a super common first hurdle for a beginner, right? And hey, it's perfectly normal to feel a little nervous when you hear it.
But I really want to encourage you right here, right now, it is completely okay and actually pretty wonderful to admit that you're starting fresh. So here's the perfect, most natural response. You just smile and say, yes, I am new here, or this is my first time. It's simple, it's honest, and it instantly makes the trainer want to welcome you and help you out.
Moving right along to section 2, stating your fitness goals.
Once the trainer knows it's your first time, the conversation is naturally going to shift. They really want to know how they can best help you on your fitness journey. So inevitably, the trainer is going to ask you, what is your goal? Let's look at the 3 most common ways to answer that. I want you to kind of mentally pick the one that best matches your personal reason for being there today. The first one is, I want to lose weight. The second, I want to build muscle. And the third is simply, I want to stay fit. Whichever one you choose, just say it clearly. It helps the trainer, and honestly, it helps you set your own focus.
You know, speaking English out loud is exactly how we build muscle memory in our mouths. So we're going to do a slow repetition practice of one of those goal phrases. I really want you to exaggerate the syllables and repeat after me out loud. Ready? I am building my body. Okay, let's do it one more time. All together. I am building my body.
Great job. Practice absolutely makes perfect, right? I can literally feel your confidence growing already. Doing these slow repetitions daily is exactly how you become comfortable and natural. And guess what? You just successfully completed your first English practice set of the day.
Let's keep the momentum going with section 3, sharing equipment and lifting.
So we're leaving the front desk and walking out onto the actual gym floor. You do some quick stretches and you say to yourself, I am warming up, or I am doing light exercise. Now it's time to bravely approach the machines. Gyms are shared spaces, right? So navigating the equipment requires some polite English. The absolutely most crucial question you can learn is, can I use this machine? It's perfectly polite. And if you don't know how the machine works, you can easily adapt it by asking a trainer, how do I use this machine? They'll gladly show you, maybe saying something like, hold this handle, to which you simply reply, okay, thank you.
Now you're lifting the weights. You can tell yourself, I am lifting weights. But you also need to be able to describe how the exercise feels. Let's contrast these 2 phrases. This is heavy versus this is light. Now, I really want to remind you, if the weight is too heavy, do not push yourself to the point of pain. Confidently say, it is difficult for me, or I need help. Knowing how to ask for help is a true sign of strength.
All right, section 4, taking a break.
Resting is a vital part of the workout. I mean, you aren't supposed to exercise nonstop. You need to pause, catch your breath, and use your English vocabulary to express that you are resting. While we catch our breath mentally here, let's do another slow repetition practice to keep our English muscles warm. The normal speaking speed is, I go to gym every day. But to master the pronunciation, let's read the slow, carefully hyphenated practice speed together. Repeat after me. I go to gym every day. Excellent work.
So picture this. You're sitting on the bench taking a breather between sets. You might be thinking to yourself, I need a break, or I am tired. And in a friendly gym environment, a trainer or maybe another member might notice you resting, walk over and check in on you by asking, are you okay?
You've just taken a nice sip of your water. You can say, I am drinking water. I am feeling better. And to respond to that friendly person checking on you, just use this polite and reassuring phrase. Yes, I am fine, thank you. It lets them know you're just resting, not injured, and it keeps the whole interaction friendly and positive.
Okay, now that you're rested, let's tackle some cardio. Imagine getting on a cardio machine. Notice how we use progressive vocabulary as you gradually work harder. At minute 1, you start and say, I am walking on treadmill. By minute 5, your heart is pumping and you say, I am running slowly. By minute 10, you are really pushing it. I am increasing speed. This is just a fantastic way to describe your actions as they happen in real time.
But hey, safety first. You absolutely must know how to communicate your limits. I want to empower you with these specific phrases so you can safely control your treadmill experience. If it becomes too hard, you can say, it is too fast. If a trainer is adjusting it for you, tell them, slow down, please. And when you are completely finished, state very clearly, I will stop now.
You are doing absolutely incredible. Pushing through those final challenging exercises of your mental gym visit takes real stamina, so I want to inject some enthusiastic teacher encouragement right here. Say it loud and proud with me. I can do it. Let's continue. I will try again. The trainer might even walk by and say, good job, and you proudly reply, I am trying my best.
And finally, Section 5, finishing your workout.
The hard work is done. Now I'm going to guide you into the relaxing cool-down phase of our journey as we prepare to wrap things up. Before we head to the locker room, let's conduct one final slow repetition practice to really lock in your spoken English skills. This is a wonderful philosophy to remember, too. Repeat after me slowly. Exercise is good for health. One more time, really sound it out. Exercise is good for health. Beautifully spoken.
Now let's learn the exact phrases for gracefully wrapping up your exercise routine out on the gym floor. You can look around and confidently say to yourself or others, I am cooling down, or I am finishing my exercise. And finally, to prevent those sore muscles, I am stretching after workout.
I want you to take a second and celebrate the positive emotions and the massive boost in confidence that comes from finishing both a physical workout and an English lesson. Read it with me with energy. I feel strong. I feel healthy. I feel happy. You earned every single one of those feelings today.
You've gathered your things. You're mentally walking out those gym doors, and you're leaving. It is time for the friendly goodbye phrases you can say to the trainers and the members you met. I am going home, or simply goodbye. But the absolute best phrase, the one that commits you to keeping up your routine, is, see you tomorrow. And they will cheerfully reply, see you again.
So, the crucial takeaway from this entire explainer is that practice is the key. It really is. If you repeat these simple sentences daily, you are going to become incredibly confident speaking English at the gym. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and never stop learning. I want to conclude by asking you this direct question. What is your gym goal today? I challenge you to mentally answer that right now using your brand new English vocabulary. Thank you so much for learning with me today, and I will see you next time.